How to unarchive a story on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to unarchive a story on Instagram. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the section, simply scroll down and tap on archive. And now here, once you are in the archive section, simply look for the story that you want to unarchive. And here, once you have found it, simply tap on that particular story to open it. And now here, once you're inside the story, just tap on the three dot icon, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, in this section, you can simply share it again as your story. You can save that particular video, or you can simply send it to the other person if you want. And that's it. That's how you can unarchive a story on Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.